Well guys, this is my number 6 inverter, okay? Well actually it's number 2 if you see it in the order that I have them here, okay? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? But anyway, this is gonna be my 3rd inverter that I replaced the main board. Out of 6, 3 of them were out. I was able to get parts for 2 from the manufacturer as warranty, and then the other one went out, so they sent me the parts for that one. And but the thing is, I did put one of them together and it didn't work, and it was actually this one before. So what I did is the main board, I put it on a different machine, and it looks like this time I have it all together. So let's hope this time I can make it work. Okay, could be whatever, you know, that I didn't put something together right the last time, or for whatever reason this time it might work. But anyway, connect the power here, turn it on, and it's already connected here to the breaker for the solar panels. So we just go and turn it on here, and we check the panel here, and if everything goes green, no fault, like on this one here. By the way, when it starts it shows that light, okay? But it needs to finish the starting process, and if the light stays on like it is right now, we're good. This is a success, you know. We have 6 inverters working now. Each one of these inverters is 6,000 watts, and the next step will be to make them work in parallel. We've been having problems with that from the beginning, from day one. These units, they're able to work in parallel. The only problem is during the day they're rebooting. They're rebooting several times. They restart the system for some reason. So that means I lose power, I lose my Wi-Fi, I lose everything. Whatever I was doing, if I was using a computer, I lose everything. Okay, so now we're gonna try that, but probably not today. Today is a real hot day. But who knows? I probably might try later when it's not that hot anymore. Anyway, the manufacturer sent me some magnets that I'm supposed to put in with the cables that connect them in parallel from one unit to the next one. So I'm supposed to put some magnets. So we're gonna try that. I don't know exactly what the magnets do, but I hope the magnets are able to start my inverters from restarting all the time, because that's what they do. They're rebooting like a computer, you know. Boom, they reboot and they start again a few seconds later. But the problem is, during those seconds I lose power. All my Wi-Fi devices get disconnected. I mean, you name it. It's a problem. Nobody likes that. If you're using a computer, you're watching a television, or whatever you're doing, you have to, I mean, everything stops as soon as you lose power. But when I split all these inverters to work without being in parallel, they work 24/7 without a problem. I mean, did have a problem with them because some of them, they burn. The main boards, they burn, 3 of them, but I already put them back. So the problem we have in them working parallel, as I mentioned to you guys, is if you lose one, you lose all 6 of them. And then that's when I have to go back and split my loads to be able to keep them going. And that's what I did. Now I finally got the part and got it fixed. Then my inverter that wasn't working. So now all 6 of my units are working. So that means if I'm able to make them work in parallel, I'm gonna have 36,000 kilowatts available for all my stuff during this summer. Okay, that means I'm gonna be able to use my jacuzzi, my 2 pool pumps, I mean all the air conditionings, you name it, everything's gonna be working. Even my welders, I mean, you name it, electric welders, arc welders, I mean microwaves, refrigerators. Right now most of this stuff is working. I'm not using my jacuzzi because I'm not able to handle that load, but the pool pumps, I'm able to split them and I can use them. But not the jacuzzi, because the jacuzzi has a pump and the heater, so I'm not able to use that one. But everything else I can use. All the mini splits, right now we're able to run 11 mini split units of 1 ton each. That's 12 tons. The average home doesn't use that much. But anyway, just wanted to let you guys know. Anyway, if you guys like this video, please subscribe, okay? I'm gonna be making more videos about this. By the way, I'm gonna be showing the connection, or the parallel connection for these units, and see how they work. I mean, I know they were good. The problem is the restarting. But anyway, thank you guys. Have a good day. Please subscribe. We need more subscribers. Thank you. Bye.